the comfort living space where you are going to have inside the luxurious kitchen to the grand luxurious master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. My name is Shruti and today we will be doing a tour of sample flat of Brigade Gateway. We are standing at the marketing office of Brigade Gateway by Brigade. Well guys, let's have a tour of the sample flat of 4 BHK which is 4123 SFT. Well, at first, you can have a look at the 8 feet long door with a smart lock facility. Well, coming further inside, you can have a look at the luxurious living space where your guests are, of course, going to have experience of luxury and comfort. Well, further digging inside in the sample flat, you can see the luxurious and premium dining space where you are going to have a very fine time with your family while having your food. Further looking inside, you have the comfort living space where you are going to have a good time and peaceful time to spend with your family. Further guys, let's take a look inside the running deck, the spacious running deck providing you the excellent view of the skyline of the city. Well, further let's have a look at the bedrooms of this luxurious 4 BHK apartment. Well, at first, going inside the first bedroom, which is the kids' bedroom, let's have a look at the kids' bedroom with an attached washroom. Well, moving towards the second bedroom, which also has an attached washroom. This bedroom also offers comfort and luxury. Well guys, further moving to the third room, which is your bedroom come the theater room where you can enjoy the absolute cinema with your family and friends and have a fun time. Well, further guys, let's have a look to the space provided for your religious beliefs and other use and the luxurious and modern kitchen provided with all the modern facilities. Here you get the space for your personal use and religious uses, and further you can take a look inside the luxurious kitchen with all the modern amenities. Well, moving further, attached with the kitchen and the utility space. Well guys, here we move to the most awaited part of the video, which is the master bedroom. Here, guys, take a look to the grand, luxurious master bedroom. This is the luxury which Brigade offers you, the grand master bedroom. Well, this grand master bedroom offers you a luxurious walk-in closet with a dressing area, and it also provides a double-decked sink for your multiple use and the executive shower facilities. Well, guys, just after the master bedroom, we have the common washroom for the guest use. Well, let's move towards the maid's room, which is provided with this 4 BHK apartment. Here we walk into the maid's room. You can see this is a single bedded room provided for the maids, which is also giving comfort with an attached washroom. Well, guys, this was the tour of the sample flat of 4 BHK. Do tell me in the comments how did you like the video, and to know more about this project, click the link mentioned in the description box.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.